Take a look at my grapevine. I stripped it about a week ago and it has put on so many new growth and putting out blossoms as well. So a lot of you would have already know that I've been getting grapes from this baby, sweet ones. I'm going to share with you exactly what I've been doing. This is another one right here. And I'm just pretty sure there are more on the vine, but I'm not seeing them just yet. Welcome and welcome back to another gardening with Stacey. I appreciate you all tuning in. So let's get to all that was done before we got to here. Hello my gardening family. Today I'm going to share with you how I go about caring for my grapevine. So I have this post right here and another one over on the other side that I'm going to use to put together a better trellis. Alright, so first of all, this is a container that the grapevine is in. It is a 17-gallon container. So this post, you can see right here, it is coming from that 5-gallon bucket with cement inside, and the same thing with this one. I'll be using these to go across. These are some curtain rods. Yeah, you'll see exactly how I'm going to go about that. But first, I need to clean this baby up. I am going to remove it of this little trellis here, and I am going to take off all the leaves. All the leaves. I may leave like these little ones, these little fresh ones on here. I'm not sure, but let's see. So yeah, I'm not going to drag you along with me to do that. So after I'm done, I'm going to get right back to you. So yes, I have things lined up already. So you can see the curtain rods. I put two on there already. So I have this one now to put on there. Now with the curtain rods, they are extendable, and so that is why I chose this type. I'll be using these tie straps to secure them to the post. I had another idea, but I am going to use this one, and maybe future for another grapevine, I'll do the other one. Of course, I want to get them as straight as possible and to line them up properly. If I didn't think that these curtain rods were a great option before, trust me, I do believe they are now, because I'm able to extend them and fit them properly on the post, then secure them. So yeah, it really made my life so much easier. Not a bad job at all. I did well, didn't I? Anyway, so this is the hustle now, and the tussle and the bustle and the hustle. Yeah, I mean, getting this grapevine, not free and untangled, man, that was a task. But I did manage to, get it done. This is the finished product. So this is what it looks like. There we go. You can see most of the leaves are gone. I just leave these little ones that you can see. Obviously, they recently came out on the plant. Alright, my gardening family, so what is next? I am just tilling the soil a bit, giving it a little breather. And now I'm going to add some rabbit manure. So I'm just adding it all over in the container. And cover back the soil with the mulch like so. The main focus is the soil. When the soil is healthy, the vine will be healthy as well. So I'm just going to water it in. So I just need to water the rabbit manure. So you can actually start doing what it is supposed to do. Slowly break down and release all of that nutrients in the container. Inside this container, this bag right here, I have some liquid fertilizer. Let me get a little closer. And yeah, fertilize my grapevine. So yes, I will continue to do this on a weekly. So soon you'll see this grapevine packed with leaves. And of course, I'm speaking it into being fruits. All right, so let's see what will happen. So yes, just to give you a close-up of how it is looking right now. Like I said, just about a week ago, and probably 2 days, this is what it has been doing. And every day, I see where it is putting out new growth. Even over on this side, where me take you down, where I took off all the vine that was running on here. This is one right here, and you can see one is growing here, another is growing here, another here, and some down there. So you can see where I took vines from here, I took vines from here. All that was on this bare spot that you're looking at. What next this grapevine will do, I will definitely keep you posted. Alright, so this is where I leave you for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.